Hi, this is JB LENNUX and welcome back to my channel. And this is part like 5 or 6 or something. Don't quote me, I don't know if I'm right or wrong right now as far as what video we're on. But the spaghetti squash is ready to be pulled out. The cheese is melted, the squash is ready, it's been baking, and it is done. It's been in there 10 minutes. We're gonna turn off our oven and it's ready to be served. So this is overall ending result. We added our lovely saucing. We had just put our cheese, we put our olive, and this is squash. And we're gonna top it off with a little bit more parsley. And you put it on a plate and you can, yeah, I got some things going on in the background right now. I didn't clean up as it went. But those are fresh from this video, by the way. So here we go. And now be very careful, these will be very hot. Spaghetti squash. Now remember, 1 jar of spaghetti sauce, like a Ragu sauce, can be enough for 3 spaghetti squashes, right? So that can feed up to 6 people. Totally cool. I think that that's amazing. So you do want to line your pan with the parchment paper, of course, which we have right here, and clean up the grease. There we are, and gonna let that cool down for like just a couple seconds, and then we will watch a video in a moment to see how it tastes. Thank you for watching.